Hi everyone, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings. I'm going to show you the baby Bjorn Harmony carrier with an older baby forward facing. So first thing I'm going to do is get my waistband on. So that's going to go round. If it's easier, you can turn it round in front of you and clip it together that way. Pop it back round. Your waistband is going to sit at a different height depending on the height of your child. So you always want baby's head nice and high on your chest. Wherever their bum is kind of sitting is about where your waistband's going to go. So I'm using a bigger doll today, so I'm going to sit it a little bit further down my torso. Make sure that's nice and snug, nice and level with the floor. Then you can pop on your harness. That can go over your head. You tuck away your little flap of instructions. This zip, the newborn zip, that needs to be undone by this point. If we are facing baby away from us, they need to be taller, bigger. They need to have excellent head and neck control. They need to be quite stable in their upper body generally. They need to be tall enough to keep their chin above the top of the carrier. This is only a position to use while they are awake and alert. If they start getting sleepy, they need to turn in and face you. And it's limited to short periods of time. There's no definitive magical number I can give you, but just be aware and be responsive to your child. If they are getting tired, if they are getting aggy, if they're getting frustrated or they're glazing over and not really taking anything in, it's time to give them a break. This position can be hugely overstimulating for children, and also they can't see you, so they haven't got that feedback that they require so often. So yeah, this is a short period of time position with only when babies are old enough, developed enough and awake enough. So carrier is on you. We're going to get your child. We're going to support them on your body in the position that we want them to finish in. So head is going to be nice and high on your chest. And we want to support them ideally with those knees up into that tucked position. What I have forgotten to do, but I'm going to show you how possible it is to do while you're still holding your child. There are some zips underneath this panel, so we need to open those for forward facing. Open them nice and narrow for forward facing. Holding your child nice and centrally on your body, you're going to get that carrier up and through their legs. And then we can start clipping everything in. So we can bring these up and clip them up there. And then your side ones around, get baby's arm above that clip. Get that all connected. And then supporting baby under their bum, we can start tightening. So you'll be pulling those straps at the sides forward until everything starts to feel nice and snug. You want to just make sure that both of those are equally tightened. So we've got baby's arms out of these gaps at the sides. This flap here needs to be down on its lowest setting, not up on the higher one, because again, we need to make sure that there's a space between baby's chin and that carrier. You can try to get that pelvic tilt if you want, but because this carrier sits quite narrow, there's not actually any support under the bottom of baby's thighs in this position. So it's going to be tricky to maintain a squat, a pelvic tilted position in this carrier. Don't panic, there's nothing you're doing wrong if you can't do it. If baby's legs are dangling a bit more, it's not going to cause any huge damage or anything like that. If your baby is at risk or has any hip dysplasia issues, please do not use this position in this carrier. But if your baby's hips are perfectly fine, then this is absolutely fine. Safe and great to use. So, going through safety checks. Baby's head is nice and high on your chest. Their body is nice and snug against you, and their airways are clear and visible. If you can't see their face properly from where you are, you can use your camera on your phone to check baby's face. Always chin above carrier, awake, alert, and it's only for short periods of time. So this position is generally for babies from 5 or 6 months plus, where you need that solid upper body control, and we need them to be able to be awake and alert while they're in this position. That is forward facing with your baby Bjorn Harmony. If you have any questions, as always, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I can do fit checks online or in person. When you are ready to take your baby out and turn them back in, undo your clips. And release your baby. And then if you need to turn them back in to face you, pop them in as you would normally, and then make sure that you make those zips nice and wide again to support along their thighs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.